EURAUD was a bit slow for us last week. I mean, it did not give us too much money, and we only had this trade over here, this trade over here, and this trade over here. All winners, by the way, but not all of them did eat entire profit. Apart from this guy over here for about 70 pips. This one for how many pips was that now? 60 70 as well, and we have this one. Okay, this did eat profit if I'm to extend it, but I closed early, I think around here. um I'm not going to lie on it. I closed this trade early because I was not enjoying the vibe I was getting off it. About 80 plus pips, so that's good. My major attention for this week, as you all know, was on US 30, and we did kill US 30 in the community. We killed it in the group. We killed it, and we're going to kill it as well this week. Hopefully, we get to kill it. The market is going to be nice to us. So, so EURAUD is beginning to point down, kind of like giving us that pullback that I think we spoke about in the last video, and it's pulling back to that level. But let's not get ahead of ourselves and just do the analysis. The trend remains pretty much the same. It's an uptrend, and the momentum remains pretty strong, and we are having a healthy pullback as of now. All right, so on the weekly time frame, we still have a bullish overall trend, but okay, price is beginning to point down just a little bit, but I'm not stressed about that. I think it's going to shoot back up this week, and what I want to look for now would be the possible price point where it's going to reverse, and if it doesn't reverse around there, I want to start looking for sales, and I think that would be somewhere around here.
Yeah.
And if
I
I
think that,
was, what did you say?
I reckon it could be a bit lower than that.
Yeah, and then bounce back up. But if it doesn't do that, I think we have a bit
Alpha,
of,
can you put up a little channel? Control. Yeah,
definitely.
control, and then hold the parallel line. See if it pulls up.
Sure, let's do that.
There.
It's not
Ish,
bad.
ish.
It's losing momentum.
Yeah, actually, it did not touch this eye, but it still did create an higher eye.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
based on the euro index that we did check before we started checking this one, its euro is quite weak at the moment. So if it continues to gain momentum this week, then it's going to bounce back. But if otherwise,
There-
then we may
There's
see
less.
price. What did you say?
There is less bullish wicks and more.
Yeah.
Sorry, there's less bearish wicks and more bullish wicks.
Yeah, actually. So
So
if euro continues to be weak and say AUD continues to gain strength, we may see price break below this level for the week, and then possibly come back to retest around this area. So if price does do that, then I want to be looking for sales below these levels. But until then, I am still looking for buys. So dropping
yeah,
down to the daily time frame, let's see what we have going on there. The daily time frame as well looks equally bullish, but then price is currently pulling back to create a lower low, I mean an higher low. At this point, I think I want to pull out my fee from this swing low to this swing high. So we may actually see price come back to retest this area and then bounce back up. But if that does not happen, say it violates this area, like I've said, I would be very keen to take sales below these levels over here. Let's see about how many pips am I going to wait. 100 plus pips, yeah, that's fine. And if you're a risk taker and you want to scalp that, your choice. But personally, I'm still bullish on EURAUD, and I think that this week we may see price bounce back up and create an higher high, or at least give me a few pips. Let me make money. On the 4 hour time frame, which is where I literally do the most analysis for my day trading, since I am day trading for now, we can see how EURAUD was stuck in a range pretty much around here for a very large part of last week. It was seated in this range, like just trading back and forth in that range. So hence why we're able to take a lot of trade on EURAUD this week. Come on, yeah. and then
Yeah.
it has now
Yeah.
broken below the range, and then it did break to the downside. It retested with this one, so maybe it's actually going to continue to fall for a bit. Who knows?
Yeah, sounds look nice.
Yeah, actually, sales will look good on this one, but you could take it actually. Sales look good on the lower time frame if you're day trading. But the for me, you guys already know that my trading strategy goes beyond just the technicals and the things that I see on my chart right now.
Oh,
Yeah,
for a reason. Yeah.
yeah, the things that I see kind of like negate sales as of now, right? If New York, which is not going to open tomorrow, but if London opens tomorrow and decides to choose violence, of course, maybe if I feel like it, I'll ride the momentum down and take a quick sales, like I said, quick sales to the downside, but nothing too major on these sales. I'm more interested in a buy until price flips below this level right here. Then until then, I'm still looking for buys. So yeah, that being said, if you want to take a buy, you want to see price action close strongly bullish off this weekly level over here. So essentially, if you, let's say you're a conservative trader, you want to see price really claim their territory, you want to see the bulls claim their territory, then you want to see price break above these sell levels over here where the selling pressure, the last selling pressure was at. You want to see them break above that, take the retest, and then towards this area for your first profit for the week, which I believe would be a very nice place to take profit. Let's see. Oh shit.
Pictures that. 50.
So something like this, around 250 plus pips, not bad at all. But apparently my stop loss is never ever in this world on the next going to be as wide as 70 plus pips. Anything above 30 pips, I'm not really interested. So around here. But like I like to wait for price action first. So price action is going to decide what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I want to see the retest.
The market's open now.
Yeah, the market is open, but I'm
Yeah.
definitely not
Yeah,
trading
yeah.
now. So yeah, that being said, on EURAUD, I'm pretty much bullish on EURAUD. And if you are not, say, the conservative trader, if you see price action claim territory around here, you can get in right here. But for me, I'm more comfortable getting into a buy right around here. But I'm still not trading tomorrow. Just like I said, there's too many bank holidays for me to be considering trading tomorrow. On Tuesday, I'll be active and also be sending out signals in the Telegram community. I promise I'm going to send signals this week. So yeah, bear with me. The last few weeks has been very busy for me. That being said, let's move on to EURAUD. Guys, any question before I proceed?
What's it looking like on the 1 hour?
The 1 hour, let's see. All right.
This is good.
So EURAUD as well looks bearish. I mean, we did get few trades on that as well, but let's not dwell on it. Yo, US30 stole my ad last week. I apologize to you guys on here. Join the gang if you want to get those free trades. If you want to get those fire trades. Yeah.
That's you.
Cool. So weekly looks bullish, but then it's beginning to point down, and it appears as though it wants to come back to retest this level. But for me to get in, I would want to see price flip below certain levels, which I think this area would be a good place for me to see price flip below. And why I want to see price flip below that area is because over here it acted as support, and you can see how price bounced off of it right here and is currently acting as resistance. So I want to see price flip below this level, and then I want to consider taking sales. It's not that much, it's just about 34 pips for 40 pips for price to flip this level. So if price does flip and close below that level, I want to take sales towards this level around here for 188 pips, which is really nice. And if price holds around here, then I am going to be looking for buys towards this level over here. But first, I'm going to take some major profits around here and then hold the rest for here. Now, in a situation where price, let's say, does not flip below this level, then I want to drop down to the daily time frame to see if there will be buying opportunities for me right here on this level. Over on the daily time frame, price is equally bullish. Price action as well, it's quite bullish, but then we can see how price has retraced It is retracing a bit towards the downside, which is why I was saying that if price continues to pull back, let's say come back to retest this area around here, I'll be looking to sales below here. But until that happens, I'm still looking for buys. Right here there's really no entry for a buy on the daily, and there's no entry for a sell either on the daily until price flips below this area. So what I'm going to do is to drop down further to the 4-hour time frame and see if there's going to be anything significant right there. So on the 4-hour time frame, price is equally presently bearish at the moment. Price action is looking very bearish, and the momentum is pretty strong. You see our price really tanked from here, created this low, and then pulled back up, created this lower, what's it called now, higher low, right? Yes, I mean lower high, yeah. I mix it up sometimes. Created this lower high and then created a lower low right here. So maybe price is going to pull back around towards this area to create another lower high, and then continue to dump, or maybe not. But whatever you do, ensure that you're taking profit along the way and properly managing your trades. All right, for me to take any sell, just like I've mentioned before, I want to see price flip below this level right here around what's it called now, 1.80806. Then I want to take sales to take some profits around here at 1.80133, and then consider holding the rest at break even towards this area right here at 1.788 And for me to take buys, like I said, I want to see price maybe come back to retest this area, and then let me drop down to the 1 hour, see if there's anything interesting over there. On the 1 hour time frame as well, price looks presently bearish, but the overall trend remains bullish. For me to take any buys, I think I would like to see price come back to retest around this area, or maybe this lows around here. And if it does happen that I miss the buying opportunity right here, I would be very cool, very calm to take a buy above this level once this recent swing low is violated. All right, I want to see price tap out of that level first, and then I'm going to until price tap outside of this area, and I'll be keen to take my trades around there. But apparently my stop loss is going to be taken on the lower time frame, so it's not going to be as high as that. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it right there and target around this area for my overall take profit for about 227 plus pips. But the first profit target will be right here at 1.83552 for 126 pips. But if you're a scalper, you can consider taking some profit right here first at 1.82935, and then the overall profit target will be around here for 228 pips. That's pretty much about that on EURAUD. For me to take sales, just like I mentioned, I would be looking for price to flip below these levels over here, and then I will take sales down towards the downside. And for some reason, I'm more confident in the EURAUD trade compared to the EURAUD trade. I think the price action right here is pretty much more clean and straightforward compared to that of EURAUD. But either ways, they both move alike. So yeah, this is pretty much the setup for EURAUD right now. I tried my best to keep this analysis very basic, straightforward, and very simple for everybody to understand what the game plan is. But if you still do not understand, like I've always said, reach out to me in the comment section or join the Telegram community linked in the description below. Ask me questions, I'll respond. If need be, maybe set up a one-on-one Zoom meeting with you just to explain things to you. But you know, whatever it is, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share this video to someone that you know it's going to help. And yeah, let's all make money together. I'm going to send signals this week. I don't say I promise, but I'll try my best to send signals this week. Yo, that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.